You can learn a lot about the health of your assets through Doble Arms, an asset risk management system that gives you critical fleet information from the convenience of your computer. The beauty of the system is that it takes a lot of data and gives it context. What assets do I need to watch? And what problems are going to have a big impact on our business? Let's take a look at how you can easily find this information using Doble Arms. If I'm looking at my dashboard, the first thing I do is zero in on my problem assets. Assets are color-coded: green, blue, and yellow. Yellow assets are a concern. Luckily, I don't see any in red, which would indicate a much more serious problem. The color coding is all driven by the Asset Health Index. The Asset Health Index is a score from 1 to 100 that represents overall asset health. It's like playing golf. The lower the score, the better. I'm going to pick a troubled transformer and drill down to see what's going on. Here's a transformer in the Northeast United States. Doble Arms tells me that this transformer is one of my worst. Its Asset Health Index is 23, and I can see that it ranks 270 out of 271 assets. That's not very good. So what's the story? I check out the diagnostic summary, and I can see what part of the transformer is having a problem. Here, the bushings look good. The dielectric is marginal. With the insulating material, I see a problem here. The load tap changer and the operational status look okay. The insulating material is the problem. Let's check it out. Here is the failure mode analysis. This shows us what standards are being met or not being met. And beneath that are the physical failure modes. This tells me there's probably been a thermal fault that was preceded by an arc. If you want, you can dig even deeper to see the analytics. And now I'm looking at the raw data that went into those analytics, both online and offline. Look at the lab data in particular. You can see an event did happen, where the acetylene jumped to an alarmingly high value of 311 parts per million. This is a decision point where my team and I have to determine what to do next with this transformer. For another perspective on Doble Arms, say I'm the asset manager, the director of transmission, or even the president of the company. I want to see how my entire system is doing. I want to see this in terms of health and in terms of risk. The utility KPI display gives me that high-level view. By looking at the charts, I can see we're in good shape. There's a small group of assets in yellow that indicate problems that need further investigation. And I'm also seeing that my risks are primarily around availability, which I can see by looking at the individual risk categories. That's just a snapshot of Doble Arms, your solution for intelligent asset management.